Hey, babe, thanks.
Madam, dito pa may maganda.
Sono altri giocatori.
So may mga nagja-jogging din dito. Tapos nasa loob yung ano, ayun yung palasyo. Ang ganda. Wait lang nga, ayun maganda. Ay, may wait lang nga, hawakan natin yung kanilang pader para makahawak man lang sa palasyo ng Juan. So what can you say about the okay? Ha? Oh. Hawak-hawak tayo sa pader para
Gayaan tayo ng kala.
maging may-ari tayo ng palasyo.
So, pag nandito kayo sa area na to, ang pupuntahan nyo, na pwede nyo palang puntahan is Buckingham Palace, Queen Victoria Memorial, Southwest Africa Gate, Australia Gate, Canada Gate, and everything. Tapos, ito ay the Green Park. So, we are here right now at the Green Park. So, ayan siya, ang laki. Kaganda. Ay, oh. Ang sarap tumakbo dito. Welcome to the Green Park. Changing the guard at Buckingham. Madam, ito yung the Royal Parks. This popular ceremony traditionally known as guard mounting takes place in the forecourt of Buckingham Palace. Monday, Wednesday, Fridays, and Saturdays at 11 a.m. There's no guards mounting in very wet weather. Is held daily during summer. At Horse Guards Arc, the changing of the Queen's Lifeguard takes place daily at 11 a.m. 10:45 ayun o, 10 a.m. on Sunday and last about 30 minutes. It is held on Horse Guards Parade by Whitehall, which is located east of St. James Park. During changing the guards, park roads are closed between 10:15 and 11:45. In addition, on Sunday, Marlborough Road, Constitution Hill, and the mall will be closed by 9 a.m. and reopen at dusk. During the ceremony, the new guard takes over the formal duty of protecting the Queen from the old guard. The guards wear their full dress uniforms of red tunics and black bearskin caps, and music is played by a regimental band. Oh, so iba-iba yung ng guard dito. Grenadier Guards, single buttons, white plume left of cap. So, meron siya dito. Iba-iba siya. Yung Coldstream Guards, button in pairs with plum right of cup. Scots Guard, button in threes, no plume. No, plum. Irish Guards, button in fours, blue plume right of cup, and Wales Guards, button in five, white and green, plume left or cup. Iba-iba yung madam, ng bawat yan, guard. So, may iba-ibang meaning siya. So, ayan, grabe. Paharap pa naman natin yung OOTD dito na maganda. Boss. Ha? Paharap pa naman natin dito yung OOTD na maganda. Hindi naman ako dito sa my park. Tabi-tabi po. Ano ibig sabihin nito? Tabi-tabi.